First of all, how money works in general. I think a lot of people believe that the best way to earn more money is to get more experience and to have like more education. And we know categorically that isn't true. I now hire people with master's degrees and PhDs, right? So I hire people who are smarter than me, and yet I make considerably more than they do. So already you see a massive flip. If you just learn everything you can constantly through an academic route, that by definition does not equal a larger check and a larger take home. That was the biggest lie, I think, that we are taught and we are sold. The reality is, and it's going to be a little bit of a conspiracy theory, but I think a lot of it based in truth, is that schools are really designed to create employees. That is their core role. And for teachers, nurses, doctors, engineers, I want that. There is absolutely a place for academia, but the biggest lie we are taught is the more educated you are, the more educated you become, the more you will earn. That just is not the case. That doesn't happen. That's not true.